hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is all about my favorite breakfast recipes. So these recipes is something that I cook throughout the week and I felt like sharing it with you guys. I posted on my Instagram that you guys want a recipes video of the breakfast that I eat, and a lot of you guys said yes, we want it. So here it is, guys. So all these recipes are really close to my heart because I've either learned it from my mom-in-law, just googled it, but the base is quite common, but you might find different because I have added a lot of variations to it depending on my taste and preferences. So this video is going to be all about the dishes that I love to eat throughout the week for my breakfast. Apart from these recipes, I also like to eat poha, upma, and everything Indian. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get started with the recipes. So starting off with the first recipe, it's avocado toast. I really love it, and it has the main ingredient that is obviously avocados, which has to be perfectly ripe. And then I've also included few veggies, that is red bell pepper, green capsicum, and tomatoes. I've finely chopped it, and this adds a lot of flavor to the recipe. The ingredient list also has mixed herbs, black salt, black pepper, a dash of lemon juice, and also wholemeal bread. We will start off with cutting the avocado into halves and taking out the pit, then cutting again horizontally and vertically and scooping it out. So with the help of a fork, we will start mashing it, and slowly it will turn into this consistency. Now we are going to add the veggies and also a dash of lemon juice, mixed herbs, and also kala namak. Then we'll also add black pepper and then start mixing it really well. So we have the sandwich maker, also the griller, so I like to toast the bread in it, but if you don't have this, you can easily toast it on the regular tawa. After a few minutes, it's completely toasted and it's going to be really crispy. Now we are going to add olive oil. We are just going to drizzle it, just a few drops. It's going to add a lot of flavor. Now we will start spreading the avocado mixture on the toast. You can also add toppings on it like pomegranate. I really don't like any kind of topping, so I like to eat it this way, plain and simple. Avocados provide a lot of different benefits, especially for skin, hair. It's rich in vitamins and also omega-3 fatty acids. So moving on to the next recipe, it's a protein-packed moong dal chilla. For this, I have taken 1 cup of moong dal and then added at least 2 cups of water and soaked it overnight. So the next morning it looks like this, and now it's the time to wash it. Wash it really carefully and make sure that the chilka doesn't get washed away because that's where the fiber lies. This simple recipe just contains 3 ingredients, that is ginger, chili, and the soaked lentil. In a grinder, add all the 3 ingredients and then make it a puree. Now add salt as per the taste and then mix it really well and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now heat the tawa on a medium flame and then add the mixture on it. Just do it like so. You can easily skip it, but I really like adding ghee. It actually enhances the flavor of the chilla, and when it starts to get brown, just try to scrape it off and then turn it. I like to give a tap on the other side too so that it's completely cooked. So protein packed chilla is ready. This recipe is going to make at least 7 to 8 chillas, and you can serve it with date chutney. It actually tastes good and it's really filling. So moving on to the next recipe, it's what I call a sushi pancake. It has got a lot of veggies in it. Now let's get started with the ingredients. So first and foremost is suji. I've taken 1 cup of it, and also yogurt, that is 2 cups of yogurt. If you're going to take 1 cup of suji, then 2 cups of yogurt, and also a lot of vegetables according to your taste. I have taken finely chopped cabbage and also red bell pepper, green capsicum, some corn, peas, and also carrot. In the suji, we will first add yogurt and start mixing it by adding a little bit of water so that the consistency that we want is achieved. Now we'll start adding all the veggies in it, and also we'll add a little bit of salt and mix it really well, and we will keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now we'll take a pan or a kadhai and then heat it, and also add extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. I like to temper it with sesame seeds. You can also add peanuts to it, and then when it starts to crackle, add the mixture and shake it really well. Now cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. When it starts to get dry, like you can see, the ends are dry and the middle portion isn't dry yet. Only when it's completely dry, we are going to turn it. Make sure that you cook on medium flame, otherwise it's going to burn. And then when I flipped it, I also gave it a tap so that it's cooked on the other side too. So our pancakes are ready. I really love to eat it with organic tomato ketchup. You can have it with the chutneys too. It is really yummy and filling, and it has got a lot of veggies in it and also suji, which is really beneficial for the health. So next up is a busy or a lazy day breakfast recipe. It's sesame bars. So I usually pre-make it on the weekends, and it actually lasts for around 10 to 15 days. So the ingredients are pretty simple. It's just seeds and jaggery. You can add any kind of seed, pumpkin seed, flax seed, sunflower seed, sesame seeds, anything. What I've added is sesame seeds and pumpkin seeds. So for a cup of seeds, I have taken 4 cubes of jaggery. When it comes to jaggery, I highly recommend it. It is high in iron and also boosts immunity. Now take a pan and on low heat start roasting the seeds. We are going to roast it till the sesame seeds start to crackle. Keep the sesame seeds aside and add ghee in the kadhai, and then start adding the cubes of the jaggery. Here I have chopped the cubes. Make sure that the heat is low and start stirring the jaggery, and soon it will turn into liquid. Now at this moment add the seeds and cook a little bit till the time when the seeds and the jaggery is completely mixed and it doesn't stick to the tawa. At this moment, turn off the heat and start spreading the mixture on the parchment paper. Make sure that you do it fast because it's going to solidify soon. After 20 minutes, I just start cutting it in the shape of bars, and then when I'm getting late, I would just eat dates, this bar, and also some kefir, and yeah, that's it. So sesame seeds are a source of plant-based protein, and also it's rich in calcium, which is really good for bone health. The last recipe is Shahi Quinoa Porridge. It is sweet and I really like it. So it has got really minimum ingredients starting from the base, that is quinoa. I've washed the quinoa. It's 1 cup of quinoa, 1 cup of milk, some almonds and saffron, and also jaggery powder. Almonds and saffron adds that shahi flavor, and jaggery powder is a replacement for sugar. Now in a pan we will heat 2 cups of water, and then when it comes to boil we will add 1 cup of quinoa and start cooking it. Now cover it and cook it on low flame. It will soon get fluffier and the water gets absorbed. When it's completely dry and fluffy, add milk in it and then jaggery powder and almonds and saffron. Now cook for 5 minutes and soon it will turn into a porridge. Saffron adds a yellow color and also very good fragrance and the shahi touch, and you can add some dry fruits on it and the breakfast is ready. Talking about quinoa, it's high in plant-based protein and this recipe keeps you full for a really long time. So that was it guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.